Hey guys, I'm Paul Wagner with Pittman Dental Lab, and today we're doing another Pittman product review. Today's product will be Karadent, and this is an extremely exciting product. It has been a door opener for me for 3 years now, and the product itself is made out of it's a hybrid nylon acrylic material, and this is a metal-free partial. Compared to Valplast, which is very flimsy, and you basically cannot do anything to it after it is based. This is totally the opposite. Once again, this product has been out for 3 years. It is tried and true, so it has been out there. The beauty of this product is several things. First of all, the rigidity of it. It is stronger and more rigid than Valplast. It's monomer free, which is excellent. The things that you can do to this, it's everything that Valplast isn't. You can polish it, and these are things that can be done chairside. You can polish it, reline it, repair it, and adjust it, and then also you can add teeth to it. And that makes it a complete game changer in the metal-free partial end of things. It comes in 4 shades, which is great. The standard shade, which is the shade that I'm holding, works on 60 to 65% of your patients. As you can see, it's very translucent. The translucency helps it blend in to the gum tissue. The shades are standard pink, which is the one I'm holding, which works on 60 to 65% of your patients. We also added a medium pink, and we added a Mahari pink, or a dark pink. And that is a great shade for African Americans. The final color that this product comes in is clear. So you can do a hybrid situation where you have a combination of clear and pink in the same prosthetic. Also, it makes a great night guard. It's a fabulous material for that also. Yes, and another great feature and benefit of this product is the retention. I have had this sample for over a year. I show it 6 to 8 times a day, and I want you to hear it. I've never had to adjust it. It always snaps right back into place. So the retention on this product is amazing.